GenSpark just dropped the most insane AI coding agent update I've ever seen. Today I'm going to show you how this thing built a complete McDonald's ordering system in 12 minutes. Then it made a fully working Super Mario game in 8 minutes. This AI is so good it's scary, and you don't need to know any code to use it. Listen up. I just spent the last week testing something that's about to change everything. And I mean everything. We're talking about the death of coding as we know it. The end of paying developers thousands of dollars for simple websites. The beginning of a world where anyone can build anything. This is GenSpark AI Developer, and what I'm about to show you is going to blow your mind. But first, let me ask you something. How many times have you had an amazing idea for a website or an app? How many times did you think, man, if I could just build this thing, I could make serious money? But then you looked at the price of hiring developers. Tens of thousands of dollars, months of waiting, and half the time they build something that doesn't even work. Well, that just changed forever. See, most people think AI coding tools are just fancy chatbots that write code snippets. They think you still need to know programming. They think you still need to piece everything together yourself. They're wrong. Dead wrong. GenSpark. AI Developer isn't just writing code. It's building complete working applications from scratch. We're talking about something that goes from zero to fully functional product in minutes. Not hours, not days, minutes. And I'm going to prove it to you right now. Here's what I did. I gave GenSpark 2 real-world tests. 2 things that would normally take a team of developers weeks to build. First test, build a complete McDonald's ordering system. We're talking about a full e-commerce website where customers can browse menu items, see pictures, add things to cart, customize orders, pay with different payment methods, and track their orders. Plus, an admin dashboard for restaurant staff to manage everything. Most developers would charge you $15,000 minimum for something like this. And it would take them 2 months. GenSpark built it in 12 minutes. 12 minutes. I'm not kidding. I watched it happen. Real menu items with actual pictures. Working shopping cart. Payment processing with Gcash. Credit cards and cash on delivery. Order tracking system. Admin dashboard where staff can see all orders, update order status, edit menu items, view sales reports. The whole thing. The only issue? 3 menu items didn't have pictures. 3 out of dozens. That's it. Everything else was perfect, professional looking, ready to go live. But wait, it gets crazier. My second test. Build a Super Mario game, not some basic platform game with rectangles. A real Super Mario game with actual sprite art, proper collision detection, coin collection system, level progression, win conditions. The works. Now building a game is hard, really hard. Most people with computer science degrees struggle with game development. It requires understanding physics, graphics, user input, game loops, state management. It's one of the hardest types of programming. GenSpark knocked it out in 8 minutes. 8 minutes from prompt to playable game. Real Mario sprites, smooth movement, coins that don't flicker or jump around, platforms that work, enemies that move properly. A flag at the end to mark victory. This isn't some toy. This is a real game that actually works. And here's the kicker. I don't know how to code games. I wouldn't even know where to start. But I built one anyway because GenSpark did all the work. That was just my testing. But GenSpark can do way more than just websites and games. This is what I'm talking about when I say everything just changed. But let me back up and explain what GenSpark actually is because most people are confused about this stuff. See, there's different levels of AI coding tools. Level 1 is basic chatbots that answer coding questions. Level 2 is code completion tools like GitHub Copilot. Level 3 is AI assistants that help you write code, but you still need to know programming. Then there's Level 4. Full autonomy AI that plans, codes, tests, and ships complete applications without any human coding knowledge required. GenSpark AI Developer is Level 4. Most tools like Cursor and Lovable are still Level 3. They're co-pilots. You're still the pilot. You still need to know what you're doing. GenSpark flips that completely. It's the pilot. You just tell it where you want to go. This is inspired by Claude Code, which is Anthropic's autonomous coding agent, but GenSpark took that concept and made it better. You get access to multiple frontier AI models, not just Claude. You can work in your browser or their app. You get professional results without any coding skills. And the architecture behind this is insane. They're using something called mixture of agents. Instead of one big AI model trying to do everything, GenSpark uses 9 specialized AI models working together. Each one is fine-tuned for different types of tasks. One handles research, one writes code, one handles design, one manages databases. They all work together like a team of expert developers. Plus, they've got over 80 integrated tools. And when I say integrated, I mean really integrated. Not just APIs that sometimes work, deep integrations that make everything seamless. But here's what really sets GenSpark apart from everything else. It's not just a coding tool, it's a complete AI workspace. You can build websites, create presentations, generate videos, make phone calls, analyze data, write documents, generate images, all from one platform with one prompt. I saw their demo of the presentation feature. Someone asked it to make a pitch deck about marketing. It didn't just write text. It designed the slides, created custom graphics, added charts and data, made speaker notes, the whole package ready to present. And get this, they have a phone calling feature that can actually make real phone calls for you. Real conversations, no scripts, no clunky transfers. It uses OpenAI's real-time API to have natural conversations. People in Japan are using it to quit their jobs. It calls their employers and handles the resignation conversation. That's how natural it sounds. Video generation, data analysis, document creation, file management. It's all there in one tool, and the speed is ridiculous. While other tools are still thinking about your requests, GenSpark is already built it, already shipping it, because they've optimized everything for execution speed. But let me tell you about something even crazier that just dropped. GenSpark AI Developer now works with GitHub. You can connect your existing repositories, make changes to live code, create pull requests, all from the browser or their app. I saw them demo this feature. They took an existing photo gallery website from GitHub, asked GenSpark to turn the photo grid into a carousel. It analyzed the code, made the changes, deployed the new version, all automated, all perfect. This is the future of development. Manual coding is becoming obsolete. Why would you spend weeks learning to code when AI can build better stuff in minutes? But here's what most people don't understand about this shift. This isn't just about making coding easier. This is about democratizing creation, about giving everyone the power to build their ideas. Think about it. How many amazing business ideas never happened because the person couldn't afford developers? How many problems never got solved because the solution required technical skills most people don't have? That barrier just disappeared. Now anyone can build. The person with the best ideas wins. Not the person with the most technical knowledge. Not the person with the biggest development budget. The person with the best vision. This is going to create a massive shift in the economy. Small businesses that couldn't afford custom software can now build their own tools. Entrepreneurs can prototype and test ideas without massive upfront costs. Companies can build internal tools in hours instead of hiring entire development teams. But it's not just about business. This is about personal empowerment too. Want to build a family chore tracker for your kids? Done in minutes. Want to create a custom budgeting app that works exactly how you think? Easy. Want to build a game for your nephew's birthday? No problem. The limits are gone. The only limit now is your imagination. But here's the thing that's keeping me up at night. Most people have no idea this is happening. They're still thinking about AI like it's some future technology. Meanwhile, people who get it are already building empires with these tools. I've seen regular people with zero coding skills launch profitable SaaS companies in weeks. I've watched small business owners automate processes that used to take entire teams. I've seen entrepreneurs test and validate ideas faster than ever before. The gap between those who adapt and those who don't is getting bigger every single day. And GenSpark isn't the only player in this game. There's a whole ecosystem of AI agents emerging, each one specialized for different tasks, each one getting better at an insane pace. We're not talking about gradual improvement anymore. We're talking about exponential leaps. What used to take months now takes days. What used to take days now takes minutes. The question isn't whether this technology will change everything. It already has. The question is whether you'll be part of that change or get left behind by it. And if you want to scale your business and get more customers while saving hundreds of hours with AI automation, check out my AI Profit Boardroom. It's the best place to level up your AI game. We currently have over 1,000 members sharing strategies, tools, and wins. This is where the real AI money is being made. If you need help with SEO and getting more traffic to your website, book a free SEO strategy session. The link is in the comments and description. We'll analyze your site and show you exactly how to get more leads and sales from Google. And if you want access to my free AI SEO course, plus join our community with 3,600 AI SEOs and get 50 plus free AI SEO tools, the link is in the comments and description. The AI revolution is here. The only question is whether you're going to lead it or get left behind by it.